Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to share with you that we are going to be looking at the monthly planner and basically how to use it. If you're unfamiliar in a monthly planner, it is exactly what it sounds like. It's a planner that focuses more on a month at a time rather than each day-to-day activity. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here with me today. Let's get started. All right, so here is the Botanical Gardens planner that was released in this spring release. There we go. That's the word. Spring, flowers, it all works out. It is a monthly planner. And what I will say is if you're using a Happy Planner product, I'm going to get you another one. Okay. Whew. If you are using a Happy Planner, at least as of right now, the monthly portion of it is exactly the same on all of the planners. So this is the July, and then you open it up, you have your habit trackers, you have some priorities, some monthly overviews, and then you have your daily tasks. They give you enough daily tasks for a box each day of the month, and then you have a note page, and then you follow on to the next time period. So it actually has a lot of space and room in it. This is the Happy Planner. There might be different themes, there might be different colors, but it's going to be the same general idea. You're going to have your monthly overview, you're going to have your habit tracker, monthly goals, this whole page, then you're going to go into the check it off daily task boxes. It's going to be the same general design in all of the monthly planners by Happy Planner, but it will be a little bit different if you are looking at other planners. So this is an Erin Condren monthly planner. You would open up, have the monthly overview here, note page, note page, note page. So it's literally a monthly. It's very much more traditional. This is a monthly planner with some note pages. This is a little bit more in depth of design wise. It comes with a little bit more just things, more things. But however, it is also a little bit, it comes with more things. So depending on what your schedule is like, you may prefer the simpler. I really liked this for budget planning, which is what I'm using it for, and I'm doing a better job of this in the future. I'm still not the best budgeter, but I'm working on it. And so I liked the simplicity of it because it just was very to the point. It wasn't too frilly, which I love the frill, but in this situation, I just wanted it more straightforward. I liked this planner better for that. In this type of planner, though, these planners are going to be great for any type of, if you're using it for your main life planner, then it's going to be great because you do have activities to put other areas of interest in there, as well as have an area for daily tasks. So maybe your daily tasks are to clean the house, to wash the dishes, maybe you have to go to an appointment. You still have an area and section to do that in that's broken down. It's undated. But over on this section, you get to really break down maybe monthly goals and ideas. So how I would use this planner, and I am going to show you a little bit about it. We're going to do using this section. I'm going to show you how I would use it. So, of course, your monthly overview is your monthly overview. Your idea behind your monthly overview is to take your schedule and put it down on paper at the appropriate dates, whatever those might be. So whether it's I start class here, obviously in July, or whatever, put it down. I have a doctor's appointment, I'm running away from home, whatever it might be, put it down in the planner. Then you know what you're doing. Okay, now we're moving on. Your top 3, your monthly goals should support your habit tracking. So if your goals, which I'm going to put this down because this is going to be my social media planner. Whoop, whoop. This is not the pen that goes with this, though. I think I'm going to use this one. I don't know, these are all too vibrant. I feel like I need something more muted. Like a rose gold pen. What do I got? What do I got? What do I got? I guess this one. Alright, so This is your planner. You are ready to get your monthly goals situated down. We're going to do this out because this is my social media planner. And I am very excited. When I say social media, I mean this whole planning life that I have. I am so ready to support it and do more of it. And I need a sticker book that I know is around here somewhere because I had it last night. Guys, I should really plan out a little better when I sit down with the things I need around me because I've gotten disorganized twice today because of it. Pardon me. I'll be back. Okay, I found what I was looking for. So, the first thing that I'm going to do as I'm using my monthly planner, and like I said, this is going to be my social media planner, is find a sticker. Hello, that's what we do. Okay. All right, so these are going to be my goals for the month of July, although I might redate this and use it a little bit earlier than July. I might start it in June. Perhaps. Okay, so my monthly goal is to upload. It looks like a P. Boop. Upload 4 times a week. Plan first meetup. Which kind of goes along the same lines, but I do want to do an event and a meetup. You can see my chicken scratch writing. So because of these things, what should I do with my habit trackers? Well, first, I want to post to Instagram daily. So I'm going to check it off and make sure that I've done it. Okay, well, now what? Because I still need to do all those other things, I need to plan out recording schedule. And obviously, you gotta, if you write like me, chicken scratchy and sloppy, you have to fit it in. So you might have to use some slang. And then in this situation, one of my ongoing goals is to wake up early, which will give me time to support this particular goal. Okay, great. Now that I've done it, I'm going to put my top priorities. Now, probably some of this I'm going to fill out a little bit closer to the time in which we do start. And I would say you could decorate this up a little bit more with like an actual plan of action and if there's anything pertaining to it. So for this section, we are going to put some goals that I have as far as financial goals that I need to support YouTube, like a new microphone, a new lens, anything like that. And I'm probably just going to retitle this for my purpose to have any type of purchasing decisions that I want to work towards and maybe the budget of what it would cost each item. That's going to be the section I put that. You could use it for many different things. It really could be your top priority section, but because I have the habit trackers there, it kind of goes along the lines of same thing with it. So now for my daily tasks, I'm going to actually use them a little bit differently. This is going to be kind of more of a monthly, probably. I mean, it's monthly now, but for me, it'll probably be a little bit less than I won't necessarily have everything daily. I will put some photos that I want to post on Instagram, and then I will put the areas that I do have videos going up. And then what I'm also going to do in this section is just jot down in the small section down here my analytics for that day if there's any that pertain to me. So, of course, I am gearing this more towards social media, YouTube, Instagram, anything like that that I am pursuing as far as that is concerned. But if you are using it for your life, I would say prioritize this as number one down to the least important thing for you to do during the day. If you have appointments in there that have to get accomplished, put them up front in order that they would be achieved, and then any tasks below it. So from top to bottom, priority to most important to least important, obviously understanding that all of them are important. And make sure whatever you are putting down aligns with what's over here for your goals. So if you're working on having a cleaner house and you need to, in order to do that, you have to do the thing you have not wanted to do, which is sweep out the garage, but you have to because that's your goal for the month, then put it down as the number one thing and get it off your list. First thing, right away. Off the list, done, outski, done. So, that is how I would use a monthly planner. Now, again, if you are using a different type of planner for the, if you're not using the Happy Planner, if you're using more of the Erin Condren, the same idea would apply. I would just put any tasks that you have for the month, and then I would just kind of create the blueprint for yourself using whatever it is that you want to put in these pages. They are for you to create and do what you want with. There is no wrong answer. It's up to you. So that is what I would say as far as that is concerned. Also, if you watched my recent video, or it may not be, we discussed tipping in. That would be great for this type of planner. And so you can kind of decide what you want to do and how you want to manipulate that month for you to make it the best maximized month you possibly can. The monthly is not for everybody. I do think there's a lot of room in here. I also think that this is pro tip, best planner for Franken planning is your monthly planner, because if you look at the very end of the planner, before the next month starts, there's this great note page section. So you could flip another month in here and still open it up to the next month without it infringing upon it. So best planner for Franken planning, monthly planner, baby. Best, best, best. Okay, well, I hope you found this video useful and helpful. I would love to hear from you. Do you like the monthly planner? Is it something that you plan to use? Are you incorporating it in for other things? Is it your main planner? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you have any other tips that you can share with everyone else, we want to make sure we are doing our best to help the community. So please leave them below. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon.